In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple languages in Google Ads. If your customers speak more than one language, adjusting your campaign's language settings can help your ads reach the right people at the right time. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share a few practical tips so you know why each step matters. Start by going to your Google Ads account in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, and confirm you have permission to edit campaigns. Once you're in, you'll be on or near the main dashboard. Next, click Campaigns. This takes you to the list of all your campaigns. From here, you'll pick the specific campaign you want to adjust. Language settings are applied at the campaign level, so choose the one you want to target with multiple languages. Now click Settings next to that campaign. The settings area is where you control core targeting choices like location, bidding, and, for our purpose today, language. If you don't immediately see it, look for the settings option associated with that campaign's row and open it to view the campaign level controls. Inside the campaign settings, click Languages. This section tells Google which user language preferences your ads should match. Language targeting does not change where your ads appear geographically. It simply helps Google show your ads to people whose interface language or search queries betray the languages you select. It's common to pair language targeting with relevant locations, but the location target itself is managed elsewhere in settings. Here, enter the languages you want to target and click Add. Choose the languages your audience actually uses. For example, if your customers switch between English and Spanish, add both. Avoid adding every language just to broaden reach, as that can dilute performance and show your ads to people who may not understand your offer. Also consider whether your ad copy and landing pages support the languages you select. Better alignment usually improves click-through and conversion rates. Once you've added the languages you need, click Save. Your changes will apply to that campaign going forward. After saving, give the system time to gather data, especially if you've added new languages that may expand your reach. Keep an eye on your results in the days ahead and make sure your creatives and keywords reflect the languages you've targeted for a consistent user experience. That's it. You've set up multiple languages in your Google Ads campaign quickly and correctly.